It is saluting country people them. This number 21 day for 11 moon 2020. PG News debate. We return back for some of the things that will be passed inside the week, and as well as Sabi. Week we just finished. Now week 7 will be meet up governor them where they come up for all 10 regions. Where they be there for inside Yawin day for before. Their big man, Great Tango, Minister for Territorial Administration, as well as Sabi, the two things that we Great Tango talk for governor. Particular, place them like Southwest, Northwest, Far North, Adamawa, and East region. He don't talk say they get for put special eye for day as we end of year they come. And that's what we promise. And he don't talk for the governor. They say make the eye then stands fine as we vote. Forget for regional votes in the come for December moon. Inside that chapter 2, we go turn back for Douala this week. On Wednesday, breaking Thursday, bomb Ihala. Sabi say the bomb the one hala so we don't pay hala for some town them inside political capital. But the difference for you now say inside 24 hours, security people them if you for talk for we who them they do the thing. We go talk that chapter for Tori for this afternoon. And Sabi say lawyer them says the day for inside Tori. So Sabi since the day we they throw it gas for lawyer them for inside court for first instance. Sabi say Barrister Claire Atangana Bikuna. Now he dey like half-time president for Bar Council. He don't talk. Say they go investigate their own competent for see whether their hand is clean for see what be happen for courthouse. But Sabi say before we go and enter for Tory House this week will be Sabi say Barrister Tamfu Richards and Barrister Amel. They be there for back counter with the here. Say they get for cash even more lawyer people them. We if according to security people them now then they provoke till it be happen for court for first instance for Bonanjo. This story them plus other one the way they pass for inside quarter. We go look for inside story for this afternoon. We get two people them. Mola Julana, I salute you and thank you again for your time.
Thank you, Ambassador, and thank you for every person who there for Carrefour Commissaire Ngotibakoko where they see we now.
And another person, he been a Tory man, but at the same time, he been an activist for say make things that they work for before, as we get for happen in the proper. Mbaku Jut, he don't join with we today. Mbaku, I salute you.
Thank you very much, Ambassador. Thank you for getting me here today. I want to salute Molato for panel the afternoon, and I extend salute for all my way to watch the very beautiful weekend.
Yes, and before we go enter for we to get for we before, maybe we will talk for the two we make news over we please check. Now, two Tory house them, one private, one national. We get this story we concerns Njomo, Madame Njomo we become for parole de femme inside the Equinox Tory house. After Ifini talk, they become arrestee, they take it go. And last, inside the week, they be left Madame Njomo, but surprise for the National Tory House, he try for deny, say he talk lie for a time we become for Equinox Tory House. And plenty people they don't they ask and say, so it means say you fit talk lie for country, they put you for back counter, then they leave you go free. Mbaku Jutes, maybe we go talk small on top of the chapter you said being a Tory man and this thing, how you don't follow up this story for the whole this week?
Well, they want to fight inside house, and Tory people they be involved here.
But professionally,
professionally, yes. Now I want come to say, professionally, every like we usually talk for inside the profession. Say every media house, they get the policies, they get the editorial lines, they get the way to they follow and for give information for outside there. Fortunately or unfortunately. The state media is being one way to protect the interests of the state, and when it protect the interests of the state, all the ideologies must be tailored. The ideologies always be tailored towards satisfying the government of the day. Now, what did I be? They happen with CRTV, and no one even get into the polemics. But the CRTV editorial policy it be tailored for suit the regime of the day. So sometimes what they do, they work that they really care very little bit about other people, their view. They follow government standpoint. For instance, a military spokesperson says, "Now so it be happen." Them know they take the reporters them will hardly take time for go on the field do a private investigative work. They'll just normally talk says authority. They'll they will lean now on the authority. So now they will get the challenge. But for this particular issue, I'm one of the person where I be carefree when this issue be start, because I often don't know the way the state media they function. But when it be goes on level where the C plus communicate and the worker up and down, I say I take more interest for understand. And I also be ask myself why way it be so easy to say we get people they don't catch them for just no crime. They don't stay more than how many years on Gata, especially for the issue for update. But now person this way they don't accuse you. Well, even if you go for court and not Cameroon, where court system and the charges there they always levy them against people. If you go court, you hear charges there they raise them. False alarm, insurrection, threat to against national unity, blah blah blah. Those things wait to happen where they not charge the woman for court, judge for the very proper way. You come back to understand say what justice system for Cameroon now for the highest bidder, if he buy them, it will be of the interest of the government. So maybe they buy the woman, they come out with them. It need for this juncture they wait to that case, this case pitting Unava Equinox and CRTV, what they need for do now for do a private investigation, serious investigation. Because me at the work too for media house, I know how it means to for interview. Sometimes you interview people, you know fit there for people their shoes or for their hearts for talk something them. But now they're right for talk. So they're on the receiving end. Now just now for do proper investigation for the issue for my own point of view.
All right, Mola, you say maybe you don't follow up as when the thing happen. He strong before one Tory house, but she don't talk concerning different Tory house for what we do. But it did like saying some fight where they happen between the government house and private house where would they talk on top.
Not really true. I really agree the fact saying I really fight because first of all we know say that government house they saw that taxpayers their money and they be very very unhappy for discover and say this private house gets more viewers than the state media. So they get to start think on how they fit even sabotage this private house so much so that at least they will get a stand to. But when we go through this particular problem we concern this to Mami Njomo, I can't understand say this so many things that be hidden behind. One, if at all they say this Mami be live during this program, then they take it, they put it for maybe gendarmerie, from gendarmerie they go for police, then it pass some time to for maybe Douala prison. The question I ask myself is, they find an who Bailey, and how come say this so after he come out that prison, now we don't know place where they even picking them, they don't know. Then when I even go through this particular process, I discover and say even a lawyer at a given point in time, he openly tell you say no, it no be necessary again. He role don't come to an end. But I just understand say this so this particular event be politicized.
All right, and this one they come to now just time where the Ngomna Togman he be write book where they try for one Tory house concerning the way they carry their program and all that. So plenty people they try for check on top the chapter if not just way to for cover up.
I check say ambassador not be the first time this way the government structures don't get, especially the communication department through Ministry of Communication or through the National Communication Council. You don't get a problem with many media houses and especially Equinox, especially when your editorial line it be that which it get a little sympathy towards the ongoing crisis towards for Anglophone regions. They get government get a very biased mindset or very biased view towards media houses the way that they work. For listen to the stories then from that side of it, to listen to the atrocities, especially government atrocities. But if you be a media house, allow us talk a couple of times. If you be a media house where you do government agenda, you do report to the favor of government, we don't see many of the way they do dirty works to the favor of government, but they'll be tolerated. Why they know the two also hold those people the way that they give them undue credit? That government forces that commit atrocities in the northwest and southwest, but people that wash them down with their publications, and government they look at as a very normal thing. So, in as much as government needs to check over excesses for some of these things, then it need back to reflect on your own self. Look at yourself for mirror. I can say if you do the right thing. Journalism not be. I just say media is supposed to be independent. If you see what's around press freedom, the press is supposed to be. If the press not free, definitely we know they talk about a free society. We know they talk about peace, democracy, all those aspects no go there, because the press supposed to be the only structure where we hold this. When you see government is shake so, me say the press don't hold it well. They don't hold it for the right place where they're supposed to hold it. And I feel like talk say if Equinox or other media houses they get inside this kind of situation, they see say that records clean, let them continue. They're not supposed to stop. That is when your records clean as a media structure. You feel so you practice with the right ethics of the profession. You just need to go ahead. You don't need to listen, because when you listen to the government, you'll be compromised and you're not going to be able to serve the millions of people that will get out there for the street.
Okay, Mola.
Yes.
Last thing for Axel.
Yes, one other question what for really like for ask my co-panelist, Mr. Jude Nasede. So, how come say after this particular program, instead say na CNC we get for intervene for wake up Equinox, but a surprise say na minister? It means now say the CNC no get any role for play.
NCC, National Communications.
Yeah, NCC.
Yes, no, the National Communication Council. Unfortunately, again, we there for a structure, because Tory people, Ambassador Yobemi Witness say, we still don't question why all things that are appointed of this country in just anyhow. The National Communication Council, it get an independent, it supposed to be an independent structure where even the leadership it be independent. But as we talk today, the person who lead this structure, I know the one talks he get a government oriented mindset or he come out from government, but it be you understand say it be for position self where it be politicized. The appointee put out place where he self they take most others. If you see to some other media houses that no one talk for here, they don't write against it, they don't talk against the boss for that National Communication Council. You see, I'm saying that just a structure where except the Ogawi did you know get voice again. So now so most of these structures are there for Cameroon. Going down right to the Supreme Court and all these things that they appoint them where they jeopardize the so-called democracy will get them. So from my opinion, NCC it get the role for play. Now let me get to sanction such unethical, if at all it be unethical, now you be supposed to sanction them. But instead of zealousness for the government communication, government Ministry of Communication supposed get know your role. If it get to put a pressure on that NCC for react, maybe you get to react automatically.
All right, the case is also they go for before with the look as where the thing they happen. Just now we go enter for Tiwo talk. We go start with this and Ndongame we governor them. They be get them inside this week. They be meet up for Yawin Day and they be the meet up maybe now for the last time for this year under the big man Gratango and this governor them meeting for inside Yawin Day be day. He group all governor them where they come up for all the region them and inside and Ndongame one Tiwo they carry and come out one. Now say as we vote regional vote the camp for number 6 day for December. Gratango don't talk to me all the governor that I they turn up fine make no man no force made their ear then to the turn up like antenna as we agree and go talk so that nothing no go worry the regional vote where they come for number 6 day for December for inside security chapter as we end of year they come Sabi Sepse Gratango it talks a far north Ngaundere, East Region, Southwest, Northwest, that zone them special security too. It must to be as well people that they prepare for glad their end of year, Gandu them. So inside that chapter, Sabi Sepse Delegate General for National Security Oga Martin Balangele and even the big man for Gendarme, Dede, if Galax Etoga, them says they be take time for talk with this governor them, waiting where they don't plan as way they go make special security. Time we vote, it come for number 6 day for December, and as we end of year 2, it go come for inside the same year. So just from the thing them where it is so a Gratango, it talk for governor them, as they be hold this their meeting now. Mola, you joined the talk this chapter for security, and this security meeting be one of its kind inside the country. It come for time we get another vote to come for number 6 day and end of year now. Which kind of security checks say the FIFA put them since we hear Bamenda clean, but we also hear some kind of thing that they also happen. People they ask question, the Bamenda clean up for waiting.
Yes, first of all, I would like for at least appreciate the initiative where Grand Atango don't take for assure say security go be for this country during the end of the year. But the question be where I used to ask myself and I say this, so for the past 4 years insecurity there for country. And now I discovered and say this, so their main purpose now for secure the election will come for December. That election a bit more important than those people that lost their lives maybe for Northwest and Southwest. And yes, we know say at the end of year so many things and people they want at least attend these festivals at the end of year feast them. We need security, but at the back even the Grand Atango may they understand say this, so election no be more important than our lives. If we for fit be where for even do everything possible for really secure that mommy and papa the way they die for Northwest and Southwest, I could be more happy. We don't put only election in front, because even till yesterday, I be here some I think that 2 gendarmes them, also gendarme and some policeman, they die. So for Southwest Day, where they still attack them, it shows that so security not really big.
Oh boy.
So it not really nice. So I just beg them say yes, may they really reinforce the security and may they take the place of a normal Cameroonian.
Now, Ogajut, security be one of the top 2 when they be talk for that governor them Dongamen. But Sabi say as well they be the whole as well talk. Tin them for some zone them for places them for Southwest or maybe Northwest. The popcorn is also the hala where the governor then they do for Dongamen they talk security.
You see, over the years, we don't always get, when year the end, we don't always get government, this kind of meeting, then the whole security meeting, then for ensure, say, make people they celebrate on end of year well. And the security challenges, they would always get highway robbery, where I hardly hear.
For most of the time for East region.
Yes.
And
Gounder, North, yes. And East. So we usually get those kind of situations of robbery, theft, this kind of illegal transaction them for goods. But we don't realize today when we talk security, we know they still talk now those things. The attention don't shift as far as the notion of security be concerned. When they talk security today, they simply mean that the voices for clamp down on people there that where they want oppose the government. So it get a different notion this time around. Where now the first thing that I want to talk. Then secondly, when we talk security now for Cameroon, the most two, because at least not we used to hear we used to talk about Boko Haram, but we just talk about small, even though it still happen. We look at Northwest and Southwest regions. We also just beat our chest, say things and they fine. Security, wait to be security for make sure say you work out people, the army or police. No, I just say when governors and sit down for such a meeting, they need for continue, not just to end of year issues. They need for continuously strategize how they go end the conflict. Definitely, indefinitely. Sorry, for end of a way it no go come up again. Yes, not only will if we be ensured of continuous security. Not talk security because you want to bring police or military for can stand for the zone within the month of December. That is not believe that way supposed to be talk security. Security no person where you work our police way back or say for this length of time you go guide the palace for this length of time. No. Talk security for as you look at long-term vision, but security of the people. Wait to not be short-term, not be just a Christmas period. Because you see, as or say me the vote pass, there was not even this issue of the vote, because this issue of the vote it don't create a lot of animosity between the people that for the Anglophone regions especially and the ruling government of the day. The people that feel left behind, but it imposed every time. I call it imposed because when you go for the statistics then for people they vote, you discover say more than 80% of the population of Northwest and Southwest, they're not to partake in those elections. So it be almost a null event.
No event.
So how you go call such votes, saying a legitimate vote on the people? Yes, it can be, if it be legal because you use power and authority, but nothing that we want. If we for country where we want collective peace, as we claim say, the government is claims they need peace. It want peace. People they stay in peace. It not be for force people make they get peace. There's a way to have peace, and they know the way for pacify people, the way for call people together, negotiate things together, live together. Okay, I just say government need to put a will. First of all, get that will for say it want me people they stay secured, not be by sending security forces at every juncture. Check say people that will be secured. Make government be the one where people they feel trust in ye, and then they'll just by automatically live in security.
Yes, only some days after with that security meeting it happened for Yaoundé, Wednesday breaking a Thursday, Rai roadway the enter for Bonendale. Now for the way the first bomb hala again inside Douala here country people them. Sabi say we don't hear the thing. He be starting for Melen, he waka go for Mokolo, he go for Damas roundabout, then he last end for Siphon Sam, sector A, for Siphon Bobogo. But this time around, now for Douala here where they so, tin then says they be different level, as we a bomb a hala for day, 11 o'clock for Wednesday, breaking Monday, as we Tori enter for inside we here, and waiting on the CSEP, now image with police people then says they be yellow rope, where the time for they say no person, he no get for camp for day. It be then as some kind of dry day for Thursday inside Douala here, after we bomb, he land for day. And just for Sabi, on top this bomb way, he had herself for that side. So for Douala, make we enter for the number 3. Sabi says gendarme people themselves they be there for try for follow up on top this chapter. They be don't block them and they be really want them. Same security day. Surprise, surprise, this bomb way hala 11 o'clock for Wednesday. By 2 o'clock Thursday, security report be already come out for the investigate where they don't finish make them. So they tell we, and even from the blood where you meet up and for the place, it shows the team they are strong. And according to security report, they talk saying that some 2 people them, all them from Northwest region, they say that they behold the bomb and they be one manipulate the bomb, they don't be sabi. Now for the way the bomb it chakara and it touch now only them 2. Yes, he almost caught one man foot in Komotam, then he spoil one man face as we they report it up, and they catch one person way in name now Nordin way that he make use it for make investigation. Apart from that one, they be catch some black powder too for inside them back as we them chacha. And just now, break some of the photo they will be ton get the one it will surely be shocking, but make una just tie heart. Now one of the people them that way it did so his foot don't almost completely cut, and the one way he face to bomb it touch and way eye to do almost come out, and Nodin where they catch it, and even the black powder where they come out plus identity cards where they come out now bomb inside Douala after more than 4 plays them for Yaoundé, and since that time we bomb the hala for Yaoundé Mola, we never hear any report, we don't come out. I want to ask some question that will be don't be for my mind, and I will ask you now. Say police them for Douala get more equipment past the one there for Yaoundé their own will never hear no nothing. More than 4 bombs and they don't explode. For Douala na 24 hours.
Ambassador, all military men and even the gendarmes them, they be well trained for carry out investigations, so they maybe the results come out within a period of 48 hours. Now just say either they don't get the will or now say their hands they be tied up. Because if not, now example this, just about 48 hours, 24 hours later, they're already be able for trace the persons the way they be behind this. When a really good thing. Meanwhile for Yaoundé, I don't think say this till they already be able for identify the person be behind this. Now just say this so for this country today, everything be politics don't enter for anything. If they forgive that independence for every person where it work, for somebody do it work freely, it bring out the results like this country for worker fine. But what you see so I feel say this one, I just a signal where those people them we may really encourage them. They want try for show people that they govern this country. So they be able for do it the way they want them.
No,
just so they say,
how you feel, how you see this thing will happen? It happened at just some days. Where security meeting with governor, they maybe the whole way they talk say they want put security automatic, maybe even before their meeting they want finish for ground. People that be going there for the see the thing. How
now why that talk say this so now is senior that way they pass on for the government, especially for Grand Atango and these who governors them. For tell them say this so security they dictate them. They go meet up for one place, also one security or go put security for this place. Security now just say this so all man get for be involved, and for all man for be involved they need for discuss. They will come for one table. They arrange them. They talk say all we more put the guns and they'll put off our hatred. So that we'll see about the future of this country. If we say they get for going for Yaoundé, just only friends or colleagues that she done the talk us from this time, we get for put security or this, but I feel say this so na lie. And I just beg them to do everything possible because I think in less than 2 weeks we will enter December. I just imagine for December how crowding with local markets in there and how we begin to go they meet for places them for celebrate the end of the year. So I just beg me they do everything possible for solve this problem for Cameroon.
Now, Jude, this bomb for inside Douala here, you see I'm saying a red alert where they send them.
You see, before Douala, we get just last week we get Boya.
Boya, yeah.
Yes, and we don't get Yaoundé, we don't get Boya, we don't get Bamenda. Bamenda we need to call Bamenda here because then we get Douala now, and all this point to a certain direction. Say Cameroon as a whole, it get a general problem. Cameroon get a problem where the authorities they not be willing to open up. Because this one they don't catch them. Wait till the law talk say now the investigation is still go on. How long it go still go on? Only that guy catch it for they establish whether they detect the bombs them now for go side with them or now for make more know the root cause why these bombs them they holler from every angle of the nation. More know the wait the people that set these bombs them want them. Now only from there. Because other security aspects in there, but this aspect of bombing now, it tell you say something they will still come a pass bomb. Yes, when people that use bomb, you know what's in a bomb. Bomb now one of the weapons the way every international community they recommend say make warring factions and use them for war, and then you see locally made explosives bombs them now everywhere around. It be very dangerous. So if I'm big government, I'll take this issue even more serious than wait the struggle for do now. So well, I don't really get anything for talk. It still go back to the insecurity state where the country will face them.
Yes, as well they talk this bomb way hala for side for Douala this week. We will take on to enter for Boya. Now, for before the office for Southwest Governor for inside Boya, now for the way they did them 11 new picking them where they did since Tuesday for inside center where it come out gun for people them hand and even make them no check say them don't hold gun. Then he send them for outside. When they talk Didi Arrow for Fayembo Francis where he get new picking them for that side so for Southwest. They be did them 11 and they talk say they come out for Lebialem, come out for Allah in particular so they talk. They come with their gun, they come with all the things that they be using for the fight against soldier people them. According to them, one of them we talk, he say even governor use sweet mop, he go fit for make plenty of his friend them too for come out for outside. As we he talk, he say he be the fight now from Besali and another one way say be the fight now from Mogbin. He say now for Sika say for a back all the people that will be the fight with them, they be don't kill all them. So he say he decides he pack all the iron that they sell now they use them for fix the gun. He too he come out. He say time don't reach where he get for surrender. So they be there them 11 where they be go join DDR Center for Boya where they come out for Allah. Jude, if you talk at the beginning for something this or you check say the one that just play
we'll
after when they come out.
We'll get Allah, we'll get na Wabaneno and na Fontaine. No,
we get
I mean those subdivisions
for
Fontaine.
Yes.
You know where they did for that Lebi Alem division, and you see Lebi Alem don't be a hot spot as far as this thing concerned, you know, so it not be long ago, the so-called General Ayeke, it be killed from there. And so, you say the activities too for the other person, they call him field marshal, the activities don't reduce too from that area. And so you don't give that area some, I feel say you don't give that so small air, it don't pass. And for this DDR, you don't rightly talk with one of the boys and say, now sweet mop, if we help move most of these boys. That's why I thought say, government, it always needs to strategize. The reason why we government they ever negotiate, not because they don't get weapons for kill people, is because you don't see this person, you say and say, he get right for leave, in need for leave. So you use your intelligence to ensure say, you do everything, make it put down your weapon. Government is supposed to use every strategy, make these guys then put down their weapons. And one of the strategies now for be open, for be consultative, for use to mob, not can radicalize them again, cause them terrorists, we'll deal with you, we'll do this. Where they if you even capture them, they come even faster than you think. And what I want to tell the boys already they surrender their arms them. I just think a very good thing, personally, as a youth, and personally, check say will get a future. I don't always talk and always tell everybody the time there for mistake will not always capitalize on those mistakes and check say will remain for day. Well, for one reason or the other, they will pick arms, they go for bush, but with still check says some way they will fight these problems out. If we get a problem, where they will fight these all parents who, as we put them, move them, replace ourselves, and then lead the country the way we want me there. The solution will be for go die for bush. Let might be very clear. If you be a young person where you watch me today, or you carry arms for those bushes, me personally, I don't always advise, we find way, drop the arms. We'll use another method fight. Because those weapons, you feel, some they feel the way you chase you want to go kill, they don't kill you. Hero, no, they ever say hero, no day for grief. When you don't there for grief, even an ant, it better pass you. Nobody say nobody say we talk say if fear die, because most of them they fear then die. But it still not make use when you die. So make we drop the arms, make we see how possible as young people if we put together our energy and our ideas for come out of this situation the way we get them for Northwest and Southwest. I just encourage and I like all the brothers they don't drop arms. And it just be encouraging.
Okay, Mola, these boys them where they showy, where they left their gun from Allah, the BLM for Southwest region. How you see them and how you feel?
Yes, I be very happy and really appreciate how them say they don't realize their mistakes. For really carry gun, they go for bush. But we'll not get for limit ourselves just on the realization of the mistakes. We get for ask, or the government get for ask them why they be take guns. The problem when we push them, when they take guns, the problem be solved. If no, may they see what they fit do, so that at least may they not encourage other people to take guns again. Then secondly, maybe about 2 years ago when they put up this particular structure, so many of those youths around surrendered their guns that they go for the. How helpful this particular center don't be for this crisis would go on. Those young boys them, I don't know if you saw one of Uro ever meet them for road with sometimes they don't be converted to traders them, of which now they spend a better life. No. I really need to know if maybe during this army recruitment, they don't try for take some of them, they introduce them for this so that they get something doing. Thirdly, I don't know if we say for these various centers some different workshops they don't be put up so that at least they try for be transformed to better Cameroonians. So now some questions I will go for ask yourselves. So the beg now government say if those young boys they don't play their roles, make the government to play its role so that it could encourage others ready for bush, may they understand say, oh, this my friend for here with me will be the way Changshu will gone. You don't put down your arm today na some warder, today na some maybe some policeman, so me I go do so too. And we'll try for see why do people be take gun and the problem be solved. If not, we'll put another question mark. Mark.
Yes, and concerning waiting they go do, we sabi say time we fire Younger Francis, when I be the big man for the commission when they commode gun for the boy their hand, they look at them, then send them back for society. If he try for talk say this, so he no go overstay, he don't promise more than 2 million if I don't make mistake where they get for build some center where they go keep some workshop them for day, then they go start train them. We sabi say Kawayanik, he be vexed with the time he become say they don't overstay where they never do nothing. But he promise them say good things that they come for before.
I just say I don't closely watch some of those boys and for some of those centers for the one of the centers for Boya. But when I want talk now say, you see, in no stay away some of them become more they agitate. Say wait till the government be promise them, they know they give them. You know, now a scheme this way for man for drop weapon and then come because most of them don't get total, even though we say secure, most of them don't get total secure, total liberty. Some small fear is still there, but it better for day with that small fear than for day for bush. So, but like again, some another people they will need to look clearly into that case. Now these people the way they continue inside these boys. They continue inside this boys and from both camps and make fighting continue for day. Most boys don't know how to drop their arms because from both sides we get people the way that inside them make they continue fight. Then the promise man go court give 400,000 for remain for bush kill, for remain for bush suffer. The other man for the other camp for the other side, he know how it the benefit and he wants to make the war continue. It takes more 100,000 Emma for you like a dog, and then the boys and work on rampage. So these two people there they did for this camp. Government need to open an investigation for ensure say people that inside this boy they made a day for bush, make they bring them first to book. Because you cause any of the picking there for sin, your own sin it be even more dangerous than way that they cause the sins. We get people for diaspora, these leaders for the boys and way they did for diaspora, they be one of the groups the way that cause a lot of havoc to those boys. The weapon you give them now you intoxicate another life. We get people there for army, for government, and others where they push forth. Say me the war continue. They mean that the benefit from mission allowances, from the sales of arms and all that. These are the people who are supposed to be investigated. They need to investigate them. They stop this war from all fronts. These boys then, they need to compensate them. When they do that, these are centers. They need to check their profiles. Check whether they get picking them way within the time they be there for bush. Wait till it don't happen with the picking in the go school. Wait till it happen with a woman. Wait till it happen with they set a scheme where they fit assist them, where they will be comfortable and they be because conversion it get stages. Psychologists go tell you not just about removing you from the bush. It gets stages. It gets stages where you get to make them feel comfortable, make them be ambassadors for the other ones already there for bush. Make government take this issue very serious because if they don't take this issue serious, after a while, we fistigate them recycling back into those ranks of the separatist fighters.
Okay, we go come out for problem for Southwest and Northwest, but we will remain for inside insecurity. For a long time, we never see the kind of one, but it happened for Douala here. Now for Legion Office, for a gendarme, where they be showing 12 thief people, them I don't talk, say they get one team and one reserve, as we talk, now 11 player plus one reserve. And these gendarme people them, now serious investigation they make them before they put hand for these 12 thief people that will hear as we to re-enter for we hear, they don't the attack agencies them, some branch office them for the brasseries to Cameroon, so they thief more than 100 million francs CFA now after plenty investigation they make them before they catch all these 11 or 12 thief people them where they present and so for population for that side. So for Legion Office for gendarmerie inside this week where it just finished, and this one another one where plenty they talk say well congratulate for this guy them for khaki and boots where they also continue for do their work. 12 of them Mula I don't talk in a one football team plus one reserve.
Really one football team and one reserve as we talk. Thumbs up for this military men, they really do this kind of good work. So I really encourage them. I tell them, say they continue. If at all say they be compensated today, in the long run they will be compensated. If they not be compensated on earth, for heaven, God will compensate them. So I tell them, I really encourage them, may they go ahead.
And Jute, one fear, and say most of the time when they show it them, the next minute,
They never.
you see them for outside, and when you even take their image, they tell you say, no film me, no film me, you film me, I will meet you when I come back. And
Imagine.
he will surely meet
When
you.
you come back.
When he come back, don't mark your face.
Yes. You see, and you really see them for the very healthy young men, where they will do something better with their lives. They choose to thief from other people the way they hustle. I should say, society, we need to build, we need to build a society where we give opportunity for people then. I know you talk and say they go thief because they don't get opportunities, but we need to start de-radicalize. We get a lot of work to do for ensure so the next generation a better pass the one. See how healthy.
How you do people the way they no one live according to weight where they get.
Well, look at the weapons. So, for me, I check say we get a long way to go. I know talk and say thief not exist. I generally talk say this kind of people then, so we need to really we need to attire this issue. Because you see man here to show ambassador, you know the work. If the command go thief out of my own money, see Moses when man get them for hand.
That one for keep people.
You go keep people take their own money now for waiting. Why you not go work? So we need a mental change for society for the way we make people they start to see the need for inculcate the value of self-respect for be satisfied with your own thing where you get them. Be satisfied with where you get them. No look at the two people that want them.
But
I don't just ask questions.
I just tell.
If you get something, then you know
Contempted.
to you get them.
Now the problem.
You must ever look for before you get some people they know they do some better work. They get some more money for that work. When some person can tell you say if you do well, you get 1 million one time. If you be person to you want blow, as well they talk.
But bro, you have to understand one thing too. So the rate of unemployment really be alarming for this country. You go now, if you see even these bike riders, you just if you imagine say masters degree holders and they ride bike, they're not be satisfied. So some of these people that they behave so just because of this social revolution. In the past, it would be very difficult. It's unhealthy man so for enter this kind of work. Sometimes for the use my brain for scam. But today, if at all say don't go really go dupe than 100 million francs, it means say so sometimes don't reach. You don't see say as and say this, so I will even be able to buy even land. Where no day. Never think about that. Then
No,
secondly,
Mola, I know you call you. I thought when you stay for me, I say when we look the past a bit, you understand. When we realize that people thief be rampant, thief be high first time. I mean before this bike issue you just mentioned one time, thief be high.
yeah.
Most of the boys that so you see them, they are age mate and they work those bikes and they sustain their families very well. We get you. I stay for Bamenda all a long way. Almost every week we be the born. I'm not when I say we. I mean
the population.
Yeah, I'm missing the population. They be the bonds of people them every day for Bamenda, almost every day. But we carry against on level way when bikes become all man just immediately people them they abandon them. They get their 3,000s.
They play than Jangi.
They play than Jangi. A man they say by man get 5,000 per day. He spend 2,000. He save 3,000. Man one end he get 90,000 for the 30 days. We don't save 3,000. Most of we will work for that office. The minimum wage for Cameroon at 36,000 or so. Most of we know they get up to 30,000 for that blue collar, white collar jobs that would go to the inside office. Okada man get them by far. Then I will tell you say even for this, yeah, no matter for unemployment, sometimes it be just the value they will grow up for society with them. From your family, as you start grow to your community, as you go up and wait till you learn and how you learn, how the integrity will get them from your family.
How the thing enter.
How the thing enter you because that's okay. You give me how much. I'm not fit take my hand. I go toss on my thing. For me, I see blood.
I think a frustration to get a role
No, you get a role, but
for play in this particular sense. Just take for
bad man anywhere. Now bad man outside. If you fit thief 200,000, me say you still thief 2 billion. Thief man. Yes, temptation day. I know it's denying, and we fit categorize and bet. When you get some value, where you don't reach extent for the kind of you arm robber, me say your own They're only for the way
So we ministers where they embezzle 2 billion, they don't get value.
that one a class of thievery for your own. Where they say embezzlement.
Okay.
But anyway, na thief.
thief
We
too.
will not deny na
Thief na
thief.
thief.
Thief na thief.
Okay.
When thief money for government, they call that say embezzle, but you don't thief.
You don't thief.
They like give money for church offering. You don't give money, but na offerings. But
Yeah,
for some
when
people,
they talk say have you in a minister, you can't give plenty money.
you can give plenty money.
Private money.
But wait, thief am. Thief money can give.
Thief na thief.
So
Anyhow, country people them na team for inside quarter almost to talk, but lawyer them too. They dey for some kind of work condition for inside country. We hear say them say they get power, but just now the lawyer people them to their own power. It don't be na one way people they don't dey ask question on top. Barrister Barrister Claire Atangana Bikuna, Barrister Claire Atangana Bikuna, will be the half-time president for Bar Association. He be come up for outside this week after the two happen for Bonanjo court for first instance. One of the two pick away talk. He say they go investigate their friend them, lawyer them. We the talk say they get hand for two happen, but for the same time they don't talk say they go so continue for the talk for security people them say make they know the touch or maltreat lawyer people them after on a sabi he come out so we he get some of the two lawyer them where they for back counter so sabi and he don't talk they go turn back again for Northern Dongamen after when they bury the Oga Patapata say the president where they call it Barrister Party Chakunte where he died for some half time. So the press conference with Tory people them every day now for talk on top the current way with lawyer people them say they get after with the two gas for inside court for first instance Bonanjo and sabi two of that lawyer they will be block them for back counter. Now one of them na human rights lawyer Barrister Atamfu Richards will go did so photo for ye just now as we they talk on top that chapter. We get Barrister Atamfu Richards and even Barrister Amel them two with they lock them for inside the back counter as well as sabi concerning this case. Now Mola we be get you say maybe you hear time when the thing happen and sabi say all the thing them this order they happen time way this man Barrister Party Chakunte will be the president for Bar Council just die. Now where you see the two they happen with lawyer them inside the country, you check say some person the way he go get respect. Teacher he must to strike before he pay. Lawyer them inside courthouse they can't trade and tear gas. They say now palava for money or no overlook inside. But when you look this thing them so how you check?
It really be aching and funny because presently for Cameroon, I never see any sector where no get problem. All the sectors of Cameroon get problem. Yesterday been a teachers, today na lawyers. I don't understand why. And it did like say some certain class of people for this country they need to respect even the law. Because lawyers, if at all so they misbehave with lawyers them, it means they will not even get any cover if at all so find ourselves for the commit on certain offenses them. We no get any cover. Because I don't understand. At least a lawyer he gets a recognized residence. They know so how they really get it whenever they be in need of it. But if they just take it put it for back counter where the person said they stay for Douala, it means even that person where they send that new they put your back counter, you no respect the law. And if at all cities they really go put tear gas inside court, with that court, it be like church. It be like a sacred area.
Na shrine.
A shrine to an extent where they get for respect them and they go through. I'm not even saying that now people there for waiting trial the baby for day, then they want cause some rioting where they go throw tear gas so that they get control over them. But now lawyers them, it means say today we not get for respect even lawyers them. But it not been a say I they put aside lawyers them because before you reach to this level they tell you say this is suspects on lawyers them because they embezzle or for corruption. Where it really be we get for condemn them. But before one condemn them, may they send them so that may they judge them before they drop a conclusion. So I really be disturbed as a touch in a lawyer profession.
Yes, a Jude and one of the people them will talk. Maybe you sabi very well. Barrister Tamfu Richards Well, plenty people they sabi, and one of the lawyer then that we don't come out outside plenty for talk, and another barrister Amel, we all then the day for back counter. Now, first of all, one asks the question, if the security people they be even get right for through tear gas, whether na money do waiting, they be get right for through tear gas inside court. Up to now, we barrister Claire Atangana Bikuna, he come up for talk.
First of all, I really check say I really pity why somebody like Barrister Tamfu. I talked with you just last week when the thing be happen. I will get to you because sometimes with the hunt to read them,
Yes.
we get a different way to the hunt to read. And it really give me a lot of issues, a lot of facts on which will happen as far as that case for Bonanjo happened.
Because-
But you see, we there for country. Let my point this one very straight. For every setup for country, we get the administration, we get the legislature, we get the judiciary system, then others if you follow in order
Then the fourth estate.
the fourth estate like the media.
Then.
Yes. Now, when you get administration where it don't engulf the judiciary and the
Legislation.
and this legislature, would get a very big problem. Lawyers them normally, if we be there for a country with right
law
and free, with law day, right and freedom, and we get strong authorities them for lawyers them. Then for don't come out outside, don't say for different places them, where they give supreme authority, supreme judge, court of Supreme Court or what that give orders, making the function so supreme laws. Because now these people master laws them very well. They are something that, but you see most of our own here they be they don't be these guys are usually compromised. Yes, my user word where they have my boring for them. They don't be compromised because of the system. Most of them be into the system, so they don't be independent. The legislative system, the judiciary system, it not be independent as well as the legislative system, because most of the people there for the top, they don't be totally corrupted. So how we go do now for come up for the whole issue? Now so another talk. So lawyers, the civil law lawyers, we say na civil law no, because the one
Civil law, but the one for Southwest and
we be chasing only for service and Northwest where they happen. That time it be happen,
Yes.
but it should say na in nature for the government for disregard, and I whether we don't encourage say make una get book for head, and with genuine mind too, make una get into politics, because you see most intelligent and most good people they don't come out of politics say politics na dirty game. They live and for very dirty people. They begin do and now the lord over society for nothing. How if you imagine say people they master the law when they defend when they defend other people for society, they be targeted this much. So who they free? Who be safe? It be very disgusting. It not be normal. It not be natural. Cameroon really need cleansings, and indeed we need for target. Now whole political ultimately the country it will revolve about the politics. Now that political there's some political arena there where all these top guys that they play inside where each time where some person the one so you want even raise they say you need to start from the bottom. How you even start from there? They will shut you down.
All right.
You see people like Tamfu, Pastor Tamfu, for instance. Now that way a lot of us know him to stand outright for be an advocate. They like the Kawala where they be outspoken, but when issue like the one where you be outspoken, no way you see other people go play. No one going to say polemics, but just see how this issue go die down.
Yeah.
Because under normal circumstances, they touch already give lawyers for Northwest and Southwest, you not get to die down the way it be die down.
Yeah.
This other one there, they say they be bow wait they now they come down for talk. Which side they be there? Which book, which declaration they make them, which action they be taken.
Okay.
So they give government room for torture them all.
All right. And the country people them, the lawyer them, as well they cry, we say we talk. I will don't finish for this side, but before we come out, we get case for person we don't loss. Make we show that this speaking. Where they call it Nono Fortier Frank Blaise, Nono Blaise, na be that. So we they so he lost for number 19 day for November moon for 2 o'clock, and the mami in name na Angel Floor. They tell we say the pikin he come out for house of Feng Gudron Ndogbong, and since we come out, no person no sabi he go. So mami just now he beg say this pikin we get 19 years. He know the talk as we tori enter for we ears. So he beg any person we sabi him make he call the number for before tele 677-551-596, 674-403-486-699-584-825, or if you take them for the number 10 district police office, or if you bring them to for Equinox, they say plenty dash with you. And so we see country for inside this number 21 day for November 2020. Jude, plenty thank you for your time, and we hope so we'll meet up again.
Well, me papa got the kiwi. If the kiwi fine was still there again, we try salute for all people that don't watch.
All right, Mola, Jules Nana, you two are the talk. Thank you for you plenty.
Thank you, Ambassador. God be our helper.
All right, plenty thank you for all people that they put hand for say Tori Waka find one time Dallas channel where be put hand for say making the happen better. Zefren Gonji to be put in hand. I want to say thank you to for Manadine and even Malice. Anyhow, one be if Papa got degree, we go meet up now for Monday for morning time for talk which we pass for the weekend. But if not, you fit also look this story for Sunday for morning time. On a whole, I'm tight.